Today on What It Looks Like, we are going to try another P.F. Chang meal. This time it's P.F. Chang sweet and sour chicken. This is what it looks like on the bag. Now it looks really good. Here's what it says it has inside. So sweet and sour chicken, battered chicken breast with a sweet and tangy sauce, pineapple, onions, and green and red bell peppers. Now I love pineapples and chicken together. I don't know why, but it tastes really good. So I'm hoping that this one is gonna be good. I've done a couple of P.F. Chang meals before. I'll put a link to those right here. I will also put a link down below as well. But check those out too if you wanna see other P.F. Chang videos and reviews. But this one today, we're gonna do sweet and sour chicken. And as always, I thank you so much for watching and thank you for subscribing. And if you have not done that yet, please go ahead and do it today. That would be great. So let's go ahead and get started. P.F. Chang sweet and sour chicken on What It Looks Like.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it's good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like.
All right, looks pretty good on the inside. Like chunks of stuff. What is this right here? It must be some of the sauce mix. It's a big pineapple. And get that pineapple right there, it's nice. All right, let's get it cooked up. The first thing you need to do is preheat your skillet to medium-high heat. Let it heat up for about 2 minutes. Now this one is looking good. We're gonna add in our sweet and sour chicken here. You can see it's hot. And initially we're gonna cover it for 4 minutes. Let it cook for 4 minutes. And now we need to uncover it. And then cook it for 6 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. It's smelling really good. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. About 2.5 servings per container. Serving size, 1 cup. Calories, 300. Total fat, 8 grams. Saturated fat, 1.5 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 35 milligrams. Sodium, 770 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 45 grams. Dietary fiber, 2 grams. Total sugars, 32 grams. Protein, 12 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is very similar to the bag. You can see big chunks of pieces of pineapples here. You see a lot of pineapples on the bag as well. I really like how it has a lot of sauce inside of there too. So that's gonna be a really nice, because I'm gonna add this over some rice, which is gonna be fantastic. Now, they don't have it over rice over the bag, but you know, when you go to P.F. Chang, most of the time you either get noodles or you get rice. So we're gonna make it over some rice. But I do like how you see big pieces of bell pepper here. See the green, the red, it looks really, really nice, just like on the bag here. Except on the bag now, they look a little fresher for some reason. These look like they may be soft compared to the bag. They don't look as crisp as what you saw in the bag. But overall, it's not really bad at all. I think it's gonna be fine. I do think that the chicken here looks a little crispier on the bag than what you see in real life. In real life, it looks kind of soggy. In fact, when I was cooking it, it felt like it was soggy. So that's gonna be a difference there come the taste test part of it. But overall, it's not bad at all. I like his nice, healthy pieces of the vegetables and the pineapples and the chicken for that matter. All right, what it smells like. Whoa, you can really smell the sweet and sour sauce. Man, I mean, that's overwhelmingly what you smell is the sweet and sour sauce. Now, it does smell pretty good, but it's strong. It's a strong scent. Ooh, it's almost like you're smelling like if you were to try to smell ammonia and you get that strong whiff of, it's like, ooh, it makes you kind of back your head up a little bit. So that's what it smells like. So don't take a deep breath of it. But I do like the way it smells. Other than that, you really just smell the sweet and sour sauce. You can't smell the chicken. I can't even, let's try to smell a pineapple. Yeah, you can't really even smell a pineapple, really. It's just the pineapple sauce, the sweet and sour sauce. So it's not bad. Don't look for anything other than that sweet and sour sauce because that's all you're gonna smell. You can't smell peppers, you can't smell pineapples, can't even smell chicken. So, and even when it was cooking, that's really all I could smell the whole time it was cooking was just the sauce. All right, here we go. It does have nice flavor. The chicken tastes really good. The pineapple was delicious. The chicken, it is a little soggy. Like the crust, when you go and eat it at P.F. Chang itself, the chicken comes out kind of crispy, but I knew it when I saw it cooking, it was soft. So do not expect a crispy chicken. You're not gonna get that at all. I almost feel like, and I think I said this before, I feel like the chicken, you should cook it separately in its own skillet, maybe even over some grease or something like that to give it this nice crispy texture to it, because when you put it inside with the sauce, it's just gonna cook up soggy. And that's what this one did. Now it does have good flavor. It doesn't taste freezer burn, which is great. Let's try just some of the bell peppers and the onions because they look kind of soft. And so I'm not sure they're gonna have a lot of flavor. I have a bell pepper and an onion here. I can taste the bell pepper. I can't taste the onion at all. Like the onion has no flavor. It's just, I just feel the onion texture. So that's not that great because onions to me, for me personally, have a lot of flavor. Sometimes too much flavor, which is why I don't always eat onions. So this one, I think overall it's not bad. The sweet and sour sauce is what makes the dish. Without that, it would just be okay. But I think it's not bad. I can definitely eat it. I'm gonna have this for dinner, as a matter of fact, tonight. So that's gonna wrap it up for us on what it looks like. Sweet and sour chicken, P.F. Chang. I thank you for watching, and let's see what happens on the award show.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. Seven. Next up is taste. 8. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. It's gotta be an 8. Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are dedicated to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Don't wait. Why would you wait? And if there is a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below. And if we can find it at our local grocery store, we will show you what it looks like.
were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant, but we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.